Mending broken bonds, the art of repairing relationships. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the intricacies of the English language and help you navigate its vast ocean. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's not only common but deeply meaningful in our interactions with others: mending a relationship. Whether it's a friend, family member, or partner, understanding this concept can be a game-changer in how we deal with conflicts and emotional distances. So, let's get started on this journey of reconciliation and healing. The phrase, mend a relationship, is a powerful expression that involves repairing or fixing a relationship that has been damaged by conflict, misunderstanding, or any other issue that has caused a rift between people. To mend something means to fix it or make it whole again. Therefore, when we talk about mending a relationship, we're referring to the process of resolving issues, healing wounds, and restoring the bond between individuals to its previous state of harmony and understanding. Mending relationships is crucial for several reasons. It promotes emotional healing, fosters forgiveness, and enhances the overall quality of our lives. Holding on to grudges or staying estranged from loved ones can lead to feelings of sadness, anger, and loneliness. By making efforts to mend a relationship, we open the door to reconciliation and peace, allowing us to move forward in a positive direction. Mending a relationship involves several key steps. 1. Acknowledgement of the issue. Recognizing and accepting that there is a problem is the first step towards resolution. 2. Communication. Open, honest, and respectful dialogue about the issues and feelings can help clear misunderstandings and express pent-up emotions. 3. Apology and forgiveness. Saying sorry and forgiving are crucial in the healing process. It's about acknowledging the hurt caused and the intention to move past it. 4. Rebuilding trust. Trust is the foundation of any strong relationship. Rebuilding it requires consistency, reliability, and time. 5. Commitment to change. Lasting mending requires changes in behavior or attitudes that contributed to the rift. Commitment to these changes ensures the issue does not recur. Mending a relationship is not always easy. It requires patience, effort, and sometimes, compromise. Both parties must be willing to work through the discomfort and be open to change. There can be setbacks, but persistence and a genuine desire for reconciliation can overcome these challenges. Mending a relationship is a journey of healing, understanding, and growing together. It's about overcoming the obstacles that have come between you and someone important in your life. We hope this video sheds light on how meaningful and transformative mending relationships can be. Remember, it's never too late to reach out and make amends. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this discussion helpful. Stay tuned for more insights into the beautiful complexity of the English language.